So now we will discuss AC circuit of a cascoded amplifier, in which we would have two configurations connected with each other. It would be a common gate with common amplifier. So first I will draw a common gate. Yeah, I will just add a ground here. It is a similar circuit which we studied in previous video. This one is connected to the drain of another amplifier, and this region you can say it is common emitter. Here we have a CDB1 for your simplicity. I am making different grounds, otherwise I would have joined them. Then your input are SIG and VSIG. So this is your initial circuit. Now it's time to add capacitors. Here we have CGD and CGS. It is connected with this and it is connected here. Its name is CGS. We will name it as CGS 2 because it is our MOSFET channel 2. It is our MOSFET 1. CGS 2. It is CGD 2. It is your RL. It is your CL capacitor. It is named as CDV1. Here again CGD, but it is CGD1. It is named as CGD1. This is named as RS. This is named as VS, and again this capacitor would be your CGS1. I will write it with an arrow just to indicate. It is just an indication. So now I should remove it as it can misguide you. So now what we can conclude now? What can we simplify? We studied that it is connected same node with this, and it is also connected same node with this CDB1. So now we will just shift our capacitors here and there. I will just remove this one. I will just add it here. It was CGS2 and it is it is CDB1 plus it is CGS2. I know I've done mistake here. It is CGD2. So now this is your cascoded amplifier. Now we have to make its model. According to my assumption, for this we will use T model, and for this we will use pi model. For MOSFET Q1 we will use pi, for Q2 we will use T model. Now I will draw small signal, because you can get many type of question to draw its small signal model, and you must have a good practice of it. So first I will deal with T model. It is similar like previous one. Here we have RL, here we have both that capacitor. Now I will just make them grounded. It was CL plus CGD2. It was GMVGS2. GMVGS2. Your gate is grounded. Then we have another resistance 1 over GM. Now we shift to pi model. For pi I use this black pen. I have not selected. This is your GM VGS1. Now here you will have a bridging capacitor and CGS. Here you have Ac and it is your VSIG. You name it as VS RSIG. Make them ground. Make this one also ground. And then you have a capacitor. You have a capacitor here. which was named as CDB1 plus CGS2. It was CGS1, it was CGD1, it was RL. Now if they say that include early effect here, this type of question can come, that include early effect. You will just do one thing. Here you will include, and here you will, it is your R. Early effect is represented by RO, so here it would be RO2 and here it would be RO1. So this was the Cascoded Amplifier AC circuit. You can see this is your simple model and this is your small signal model with early effect included here and there, and shifted capacitors because it creates easiness. And for MOSFET Q2 we used the pi T model because emitter was not grounded, and in MOSFET Q1 you see that emitter was grounded, so you used pi model.